It is 1 something in the morning. I am up, folding clothes. I couldn't sleep, so the clothes that I washed Saturday, I'm folding now, so I can get started on my reset for the week. So I already washed the clothes. Tomorrow I'm gonna come in and clean. I already put my couch, one of my covers on my couch. I'll do the other one tomorrow. And I'm watching a little YouTube with, what's my girl name? House of Rose. The Rose House. That's what it is. Hey girl. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just sitting with my little drink, sitting in my living room, just folding these darn clothes, honey. And yeah. Hey guys, I know it's loud. But I'm here getting the car washed again. It seems like every week I gotta get it washed, y'all. Every week. Good morning, y'all. Ooh, it's cold out here. My goodness. How y'all doing today? I got a busy week, y'all. A busy week, but I'm excited about it. Today, what do I gotta do today? When I get off, I'm gonna come and clean this pantry. I got to get my pantry together. Get my pantry together. And up under my sink. So yeah, that's my plans for today. Tomorrow I have my Zoom interview for this job at a hospital that I already know I'm gonna get. Okay? I already know I got it in the bag. But yeah, that's one of the jobs I filled out. I filled out for so many, y'all. All third shift. That's the only shift I'm working. That is the only shift I'm working. So I got my laptop, so when I get to work on my breaks, I can fill out an application, look and see. I might even look up a temp service for CNAs, you know. And yeah, do a temp service. I think I am, because they pay real good. They pay real good, honey. I don't care. You know, you getting $30 an hour, honey. You getting $30 an hour, honey. You will work, okay? So, let me show you guys what I got. I got for $20. I have a home finance and bill organizer. Try to get control of these bills for the receipts and expensive, what we paid, what's due. I need that. And then I got me a new planner for the year finally. Got me a new planner. Got everything in there with the stickers in the back. And I got some new pens, ballpoint pens, different colors. I'm starting another job, so I need these. 2 boxes of elbow noodles, of pinto beans. I got peas, corn, pears, beans, pears, green, and black beans, some more green beans, corn, what else? Beets there. Beets, and more beets. Alright, that is all that. Oh, I got 2 things of vegetable soup. I got some cheese dip, raisins. They gave me some egg rolls, double flavor, coconut latte and original for coffee or hot chocolate. 2 things of milk and juices, peach juice. It's like 20 in each box. They gave me 4 of the romaine lettuce, which I'm going to clean and put up. And they gave me some gingerbread cookie kits. So yeah, I'm going to put this in the fridge till I get ready. See this thing. Shouldn't be too bad. The pantry is done. Down there, seasonings, canned goods, bakeware, and yeah, that is it. Alright guys, we are here at Aldi's getting a few things. Let's see what's over here. Leprechaun Trail Mix, Shamrock Cream Crunch Trail Mix. Cute. Beer Bread Mix. Ooh, these are good. But I'm trying to get away from all this bad, unhealthy stuff. Look at that roll. Some nice, good fruit and veggies, y'all. Fruits and vegetables. Child, let me get them over here. Ooh, these grapes look at them. They look so big, don't they? And these strawberries look so good. So pretty. Here, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, I will mess this up. You don't hear me? Ooh, that looks good. Look at that mimosas. Yes, honey. They got wine, they got beer. Ooh. Oh, this is a box. And 3 liters is what? Are you kidding? Oh, wow. I'm going to have to try this. Look, y'all. 1 box equals 4 bottles. And they got what? They have all of these. Sweet Red, California Moscato, Pinot Noir. Yes. Oh, look at that. Oh, this they whole little section over here. Oh, I love this. This bottle looks so cute. Oh, they got duvet covers. It ain't. It's gray. I don't want no gray. But they got some cute pillows. Euro pillows. Oh, that's a mattress pad. They got inflatable beds. Cute candles. Look at that. Oh, here goes the, what's the name, candles. And then all this is they. Alright, y'all, we are here at Goodwill. Alright, how are you? Okay. Give me a cart. I might as well get me a car. Let's see what they got in the household section, y'all. Oh, this is cute. Cute vibe, something different. Oh my God, y'all, I love it. I actually love it. Look at it. Okay, I got my glasses, perfume, medicine, and then over here I got my Lazy Susan, my mirror, my light, and then I got my jewelry box right here. I finally moved it. My rings, and then up here I got this Lazy Susan. I love it. And then this opens. You can pull it out. It's perfect. It is perfect.